Hello and what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am financial coach Jess and I am so excited to share with you guys today how my brand new YouTube channel made $1,404 within 60 days of me launching the channel itself. I did not have YouTube monetization, obviously, and I did not spend any money on ads or anything like that to accomplish this. If you're not familiar, in order to be monetized on YouTube, you need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 watch hours on publicly posted videos within a 12-month period. For most YouTubers that get monetized, it can take anywhere from between 3 to 6 months if they're doing this either full-time or at least very consistently. But I have also seen YouTubers that take years to get monetized while they kind of figure out what niche they want to be in and what audience they want to attract. I was not really interested in waiting years to get monetized on YouTube, nor did I want to wait at least several months to start making money on this platform. So I started researching some other ways to make money on YouTube. So how I made over $1,000 on YouTube in my second month with under 150 subscribers was with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically when someone goes to a company and sells their products and services and then gets a certain percentage or commission based on how much they're able to sell. You can kind of think of affiliate marketing like consignment. Someone gives you something to sell, so there's virtually no overhead, and then when you sell it, you split up the revenue that has been generated. And here's the best part. So many companies are now participating in affiliate marketing programs. Gosh, even I have an affiliate program for my coaching. My past clients can earn money when they invite other people to sign up. I've owned my business for almost 3 years now, and so I've experienced a lot of different programs, services, softwares, apps, equipment, and when I started planning out my YouTube content, I made a huge list of all of those affiliate programs and my links that correspond to the services and products that they sell. And that way, when the time came, I could very easily insert those products and services into my content. And I honestly didn't think that making passive income like this would happen as fast as it did. I thought that I would still need to grow an audience, really build up my know, like, and trust, etc. But here's what I forgot. YouTube, which is owned by Google, is arguably the best search engine in the world. And so when I posted this video here, reviewing a fairly high ticket program that literally changed my life in 2017, I put my affiliate link below and I made 2 sales in 2 weeks of the video being uploaded, which meant that I had earned $1,404. And here's the thing, this video could go on to make 1K plus each month, and it's completely passive. And that's just one of my affiliate links. However, Bookkeeper Launch and Kajabi are 2 of my higher ticket affiliate links. And that would be one of my biggest pieces of advice for you, is to not play around with like Amazon's affiliate program. Their payouts are between like 3 to maybe 8% and dropping. They just don't need affiliates in order to sell the stuff on Amazon. Especially with quarantine and a lot of people shopping online, they actually had too much business and they just don't need those affiliate marketers. Don't waste your time with anything really below 10% commission. So I mentioned Kajabi, which is my website and course platform. Kajabi offers 30% commission to their affiliate marketers for the lifetime of their customers. So that means if you refer someone to Kajabi, if they use your link to sign up, they're going to be loving their life because now they're using Kajabi and you get 30% commission each month that they are Kajabi customers. Bookkeeper Launch was 25% commission, so very, very competitive numbers here. So how do you find affiliate programs that you can be a part of? My advice would be to look at how you're investing in yourself. What are you investing in? What are you spending money on? And what do you really enjoy? Also, take a look at what your audience is interested in. What do you get questions about all the time that fits into your content? It's really important that it makes sense and that it fits in with your already existing content. Otherwise, it could be difficult to get approved for that affiliate program. I know for me personally, I would love to be an affiliate for outdoor gear. I love outdoor gear. Me and my husband go camping all the time, and I've actually applied to be an Alpaca Raft affiliate partner, but they turned me down because my platform is finance and not outdoor gear. So all that to say, just make sure that your affiliate programs fit in with your platform, your audience, and your content that you're already creating. But anyway, I'll probably do a completely separate video reviewing Kajabi and all that they have added in 2020 because it is the bomb when it comes to course creation. Another pro tip for you guys is to choose products and services with the affiliate program in mind. This is really something that I wish I would have done. For example, my office equipment, they have an affiliate program, but the money that you earn, the commission and the percentages, are only good for store credit. And with office equipment, it's like once you have a desk, once you have an office chair, you don't really need to like keep buying more office equipment. So my commissions are just not as valuable. So definitely pay attention to this if you're shopping around for different products and services, especially as a business owner, because you might want to be an affiliate partner down the road. Another option for you that you might be able to do if you already have a pretty large audience and you want to work with a smaller company, you might be able to reach out to them and just set up your own exclusive affiliate program if they don't have one already. This can really work for you and benefit both parties because you can get very targeted traffic from this company. As I mentioned earlier, I am well on my way to becoming monetized on YouTube, and one way that you can help me is to subscribe to this channel. I appreciate it every single time you guys subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me, and it allows me to continue putting out free content for you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.